How to fix Group Policy Editor, gpedit.msc. Missing on Windows 10 Home. To fix Group Policy Editor, gpedit.msc. Missing on Windows 10 Home, try one of the following options. 1. Run this script Windows 10 Home gpedit-hack.bat at http://bit.ly/2z53 Hz as admin. 2. Google, download Group Policy Management Console with Service Pack 1. FYI, the Microsoft Group Policy Management Console, GPMC, with Service Pack 1, SP1, unifies management of group policy across the enterprise. The GPMC consists of MMC snap-in and a set of programmable interfaces for managing group policy. Then save the file into c:\windows\syswow64. Copy 3 folders: Group Policy folder, Group Policy Users folder, gpedit.msc. File, paste M into c:\windows\system32. Run the downloaded file as admin. 3. Try the free and open source Policy Plus at https://github.com/flex255/policy plus.